Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the camera on your Zoom app is not working, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to select the default camera in Zoom. So we'll open the Zoom app and we will right click on this or click on the photo or your initials button and then go to settings. Here we will go to video and we will check this camera box, drop it down, and we need to see which camera we're using and then we'll set it as default. And that should fix the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, it means that permission hasn't been given to the Zoom app. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings and click on privacy and security. There we will scroll down for camera, click on camera and then look for the Zoom app. If your Zoom app has access to your camera, if it doesn't, then just click on this button and it should allow access to your Zoom app. And this should fix the problem, folks. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.